Storms will end from west to east late this evening. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, two severe thunderstorms located near Willow Park and 8 miles south of Cool, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Bedford, Haltom City, Keller, Hurst, Weatherford, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, Mineral Wells, White Settlement, Crowley, Forest Hill, Hazel, Richmond Hills, River Oaks, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, and Eagle Mountain. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35W between mile markers 43 and 61. Interstate 20 between mile markers 390 and 438. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 21. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.